Hello everybody, it's Tech of the Day here, and here it is, guys. Here it is. It is the Zune 4GB. I did get it refurbished. It's on the box right there. But it came with everything that would come with a normal Zune. So let's get unpackaging it. Nice packaging. Slide it out here. Hold on a second. There we go. And you'll get the Zune right there. Let's get that out. There we go. Sorry about that. Had a little trouble getting it out. Get into the player a little bit later. Open it up. Let me get these out of the way. Open it up, you get a pair of headphones, which actually snap together, and different colored covers for your headphones. It's nice. You get the proprietary Zune USB/charging cable, but you do need the Zune software and the latest version of Zune software. You get a product guide. Zoom out here a little bit. There we go. A quick start guide. And warranty information. Nothing else in the box. So let's look at the player once more. Here we have it. The Zune 4GB. You can see, and I've been playing with it all day. Got my account on Zune set up. Turn it on by holding down the play pause button. There you go. And it uses a touch sensitive little platform down here, which you can turn on and off, and then it just becomes a normal click pad. It supports music, videos, pictures. The social is your account on ZuneNet. Radio, podcast, a marketplace. You can buy songs straight from your Zune if you're on a Wi-Fi connection. Games, and then settings. For instance, let's see, podcast. I have some I put on here earlier today. Let's do Comedy Central. There are no speakers, so you will have to get headphones, and all videos are only played in a landscape, which is probably better because it is only a 1.8-inch screen. Play, pause, use the touch to fast forward and rewind and go up and down for volume. This, by the way, is a podcast Comedy Central stand-up hot picks. Little information if it has any music. They don't have a lot on there right now. It's easiest choosing a song, and when you do play a song, it'll actually show the album artwork, time, battery status. Of course, pictures and video, self-explanatory. But yep, there you have it, guys. It is the Zune 4GB in black. Unboxed for you here from Tech of the Day. Alright. Rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech news and reviews, as well as keep up on all things Google G1 and Android. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.